Dear parishioners and Marian devotees, we are now in the first week of October, the 27th week of Ordinary Time. October is the month of the Holy Rosary because annually we celebrate the feast of Our Lady of the Rosary on October 7. It was instituted in 1571 to commemorate the miraculous victory of the Christians in the Battle of Lepanto. Moreover, since October 1917, the Blessed Mother, in appearing to the shepherd children in Fatima, invited the world to pray the Rosary every day to obtain peace for the world and the end of war. The Rosary is a powerful yet simple prayer. Anyone can pray it anywhere and anytime. Pope John Paul II reminds us that the Rosary, though Marian in character, is at heart a Christocentric prayer. Through it, we are contemplating Christ with Mary. So join us in our daily recitation of the Holy Rosary as a parish. Together, let us pray for the end of this COVID pandemic. Let me also point out two highlights for this week. October 4 is the feast of Saint Francis of Assisi. Many times, Saint Francis' love for nature is overemphasized. This should not overshadow his love for the crucified Christ. Through his suffering, Francis saw God working in his life. It was God's way of teaching him to love, to trust, and to be humble. We must never see suffering as a proof of God's absence. October 5 is the feast of Saint Faustina Kowalska. Her work on earth was to spread God's merciful love across the world. She invites us to pray, "Jesus, I trust in you." So have an amazing week, everyone.